Kardom, Karbi Anglong, this is Sunidhi Chauhan and I'm coming to perform for you live on the 17th of November in Diphu Taralangso on the occasion of Karbi Anglong Day celebration. I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong, Dr. Tuliram Ronghangji, for inviting me to witness the vibrant, colorful culture and the people of Karbi Anglong. So don't miss out. I'll see you very soon. Kardom.
Hello and Karbi Anglong. This is Rito Riba here, and I'm making this video to let you guys know that I'll be performing live on 17th of November at Diphu Taralangso on the occasion of Karbi Anglong Day celebration. And also I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ranganji for inviting me to witness the vibrant and
Kardom to my lovely people of Karbi Anglong. I'm Shakti Kapoor, Aapka Shakti Kapoor. I am coming for Karbi Anglong Day celebration with all of you together on the 17th of November. It'll be fun, maza aayega. And I want to thank the Honorable Chief Executive Member, Dr. Tuliramji, for inviting me for such a vibrant, colorful culture, and the people of Karbi Anglong. We'll have fun, we'll witness such a colorful event. We'll all have fun. It'll be a lovely day.
November 17, in the year of 1951, is a historic day for Karbi Anglong, for it was on this day 71 years ago that Karbi Anglong and all the different tribes living in Karbi Anglong gathered together in order to commemorate the historic significance of that day. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is making preparations to celebrate the day as Karbi Anglong Day. Come, let us work together to bring greater transformations and glory to Karbi Anglong. Kardom, thank you, namaste.